Hello, beautiful people. I am excited today because we are going to make pizza. Not just any pizza, though. We're going to recreate Prince Street pizza, specifically the Spicy Spring. Oh, gosh. Guys, listen. If you live in New York or you're visiting New York, you must go to Prince Street Pizza. It's at 27 Prince Street in Soho. They have probably my favorite pizza in the world. It is delicious. It's a square pie. It looks thick, but the crust is super airy and fluffy. Oh, amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. And I found a copycat recipe that I've already done, and I can tell you right now, it's pretty much spot on. So we're gonna make that today. What you need to make this pizza, though, successfully, is one of these. A digital scale, because all measurements are done in mass. It's very, very, very important, okay? Speaking of that, right now is a good time to smash that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe. Why? Why wouldn't you? The ingredients are as followed. You need 500 grams of bread flour, specifically bread flour, which is, I know, very difficult to find during these times because everybody seems to be making bread or having a bread baking competition. But I want pizza, so stop doing that. Next, 14 grams of salt, 6 grams of yeast, 20 grams of olive oil, and 325 grams of room temperature water. That's it. That's it. You do exactly that, you're gonna have a good time. What you need is your stand mixer. You can knead it by hand. I wouldn't recommend it. First, take your flour, pour it in the bowl. Bang. Thank you for coming. Salt. In. Now you wanna whisk this up first before you add the yeast, because salt and yeast are enemies. They don't get along very well, which is a shame. Next up, our yeast. Woo, they love that. We mix the yeast in. Olive oil. Attach. Peter Pan! Dough hook. Down. Now you want to add your water slowly. But first, we're gonna turn this on. Low speed. Yes? Yes, chef! Now slowly pour in your water. Good job. And you can increase the speed in increments. The key to this dough being so fluffy, airy, and light is you're gonna run this at a medium-high speed for 6 minutes. No joke. Do it. Trust me, do this. So the flour's starting to mix together, and we're gonna speed it up. Hey Siri, set a timer for 6 minutes. I'll see you in 6 minutes. Also, don't let go of this. It does that. Stop it! Stop it! It's worth it. It's worth the wait. And we are done. Went by just like that. Now that your dough is done, you need to put it in a pan. But we need to oil said pan so it doesn't stick. And you don't have to be shy with the oil here. Ooh. Spread it around with your hands. Why? Because we're gonna oil our hand and grab this dough off the hook. It's gonna stick. It's gonna feel super, super sticky. That's okay. Peel it off. Look at this. It is beautiful. It's soft. Ooh, and this is gonna grow. It's gonna grow to be a big, strong man or girl. or whichever gender it decides. Before we go any further, we want to preheat our oven to 550 degrees. That seems screaming hot. That's the purpose, okay? We want it screaming, screaming hot for a very long time. You don't want to preheat it to 550 and then throw your pizza in. You're not gonna have a good time. Now, we're gonna cover our friend and let him rest. Now listen, this is very important. I've done this both ways. I've let this rise for a few hours and it's okay. No, I don't want to lie to you. You want to let this rise for 24 hours in your fridge. Do not be greedy and anxious and let this rise for a couple hours. It's edible, but I'm telling you, the difference in results is remarkable. Remarkable. So we're going to let this hang out for a whole day. I know. But what will we do? You'll find something else. Don't worry. But with the miracle of TV magic, I have already made 2. Dude, okay? Ridiculous. Now, it's sauce time. This is super simple as well. Super simple pizza sauce. Let's get our burner on a medium-high heat. We're gonna put in olive oil, garlic. It's already minced for you. About a teaspoon and a half. Red pepper flake, oregano, about a teaspoon. And we just heat that up. So we're gonna cook our garlic and spices for about a minute, 2 minutes. Now the key to a great sauce is San Marzano tomatoes. Again, this is one of the things you're just gonna have to trust me on. It is the best tomato you can get. It's sweet. A lot of the times you see people that add sugar to their sauces. You shouldn't have to do that with San Marzanos, all right? So our garlic has cooked a little bit. Let's add tomatoes. 1 can, 2 can, Sam. So we're just gonna cook that down on a medium-high heat. I use 2 cans, you can use 1, but I'm having a pizza party. I'm making multiple pizzas, so I'm making extra sauce. And look, if you have leftover sauce, use it for whatever else you want. Spaghetti meatball, lasagna, whatever. I don't care. I'm not the boss of you. Who's the boss? You're the boss. I guess while we wait, we can start prepping the pizza toppings. We have sliced mozzarella. That's very important. Sliced mozzarella only for this pizza. Pecorino Romano, also very important. And a natural casing pepperoni. Why does it have to be natural casing? You'll see at the end of the video. But trust me, okay? I keep saying trust me a lot in this video, but it's because I want the best for you. You're welcome. So let's slice our pepperonis. And we're gonna do these about yay thick. You could probably go to your deli and ask them to slice this for you, which wouldn't be a bad idea. Boom, done. So as you cook this sauce, the tomatoes will break down, but I want to give it a little extra help. So I'm going to hit it with an emulsion blender. Now let's give it a taste. This is where you add salt. I'm telling you, this pizza is gonna blow people's minds. My God. Look at this. It's amazing. It's amazing what good ingredients can do. All right, that's it. Told you this was simple. Now what you need is a sheet pan to assemble this pizza. Olive oil. You really want your pan oily. Paint it. If you have a cast iron pan, even better. So paint all your sides. Fun. Are we having fun yet? Yes. And it's dough time. I'm gonna oil my hands to get her out. It's going to be sticky. That's okay. Now we're gonna lay her out. just keep pushing. All right, once you get your dough all nice and spread out, see that? Beautiful. You want to let it rise again for like 20 minutes. Also, very important step. So I'll see you in 20 minutes. Woo! All right, it's been 20 minutes. Our pizza has had one last opportunity to rise. So now it's time to assemble. Cheese goes down. Now the cheese is gonna add a nice protective layer so the sauce doesn't get all soaked up in the crust. Boom, cheese, sauce. Spread it out. Thank you. Pecorino Romano. Make it snow. I make it snow. I'm in love with the snow, snow. And now, pepperoni. And you want to be as generous as Prince Street is with their pepperoni, which is going to be about the whole stick. And here we are. Prince Street Pizza, the spicy spring, and now it's time to go in the oven. Every oven's different. Mine's been preheating for about, I don't know, an hour at 550. I'm gonna bake this at the second to lowest rack. For how long, you ask? You just kind of have to watch. Probably around 10, 12 minutes, but we'll see. Don't walk away from this. You wouldn't want to walk away from something this beautiful, would you? And I'm not just talking about me. Into the oven. Now we wait. All right, so it's been about 15 minutes. Let's take a peek. Ooh. Ooh. I think we're ready to pull it. I think we're ready to pull it. Woo! This looks bomb! Oh, I wish I could show you the bottom. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Let's cut it. Woo! This looks bomb. Ooh, hear that crisp? And the reason why you want natural skin pepperoni is it cups up and it turns into like a little bowl. Oh, you hear that? Do you hear that, fam? And straight down the middle. Ooh, y'all. Ooh. You see that airiness? That's what we want. And the bottom, ow, shit. And you see the little bowls? We have one last touch. And that is to hit it with some more Pecorino Romano. Yes! All right. Oh, it's going for a bite. I'm telling you. Guys, that is, oh my God. This is so easy to make. So delicious. Look at that crust. I'm telling you, I'm linking the recipe below. This is it. I mean, if you can't get Prince Street Pizza, this is the next best thing. I might open up a square shop. Steven Squares! Woo! Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go finish the rest of this pizza by myself because I'm a pig. So if you could please comment, like, share, subscribe. I do videos all the time and they're enjoyable. Do this at home. Let me know how it is. Stay safe, stay sane. Mwah.